integration by parts. Okay. So this is similar to the product rule that you use in differentiation. Okay. So what is the product rule that we use? For example, if I have two functions u and v, where u and v both are individually functions of x. So if I ask you the derivative of u and v with respect to x, u into v into by dx. This is what, right? We know this. Now the question is, till now we had different kinds of functions like this. For example, sin x dx, or like integral of x cube plus 2x dx, something like this, right? Where it was only one particular function that was present, or it was sum of different functions or difference of different functions that were present. But going forward, what we will have is, we will have product of combination of functions. In the sense, if I give you a question like this, x square sin x dx, how do we solve this integral? If you observe this, there is neither an algebraic function nor a trigonometric function. So, but what is happening in it? It is a product of an algebraic and a trigonometric function. So, when you face these kind of functions, how are we going to integrate them is the question. So, for solving these kind of problems, we need a tool which is called as integration by parts. Okay, so are you guys able to understand when this concept is to be applied? When you see the product of two functions of different nature. When you have something like this, we need to go with the concept of what? Integration by parts. Okay, so let's see what that integration by part means. See, we know that if u and v are two differentiable functions of single variable x, okay, then by the product rule of differentiation, what can we say? Derivative of uv with respect to x is given as u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Right? Till here it is clear for us. Now the next thing is, we know that differentiation and integration are the reverse process of each other, because the integration is also called as antiderivative. So if I give kind of dx of into v is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. If I give you something like this, if I'm asking you to find what is the value of only u and v. So I want only u and v to exist. If that should happen, what am I supposed to do? I need to integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides with respect to whom? With respect to x. So what is the meaning of this? Integral of d by dx of u into v with respect to x is equal to integral of u into dv by dx with respect to x plus integral of v into du by dx with respect to x. I hope it is clear till this time. Right. So here what is going to happen is, this dx and dx are gone. So integral of derivative of ux. So integral and derivative are the opposite of each other, right? So what will you have? You will have uv is equal to integral of u into dv by dx with respect, don't cancel dx, okay? I'll tell you why. V into du by dx with respect to x. Is it clear till this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is observe a small rearrangement. I'm going to have this on the left hand side. Integral of u into dv by dx with respect to x will be equal to u into v minus integral of v into du by dx with respect to x. Did you guys understand? I just did a small rearrangement, nothing else. Is it clear till this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this particular step is what is the formula for integration by parts. Where what will happen? So I suggest you to copy it till this step. Copy it fast. Just a minute. Is it clear till this step?
Yes, sir.
Doubt? It's okay. Let me. What is the meaning? Okay. It's slightly tricky. I suggest you to concentrate again. So this is what I wrote. Integral of u into dv by dx. So integral of u into dv by dx with respect to x. So don't read it as dv by dx into dx. You have to read u as one function, dv by dx is another function. The product of these two functions integrated with respect to x is equal to what? Is equal to u into v. Okay. U with respect uh, to so respect to x, take of that with respect to x. U can be called as g of x. I hope it is clear, right? So if I'm taking u as f of x, dv by dx is going to be g of x. Means you have integral of. So how I can rearrange this and write is integral of. In the place of u, I can write it as f of x. In the place of dv by dx, I can write it as g of x. Am I right? By g. Okay. So of this is nothing but d. See, had some network issue. Till where was I audible?
U is equal to f of
Assumptions at the f of x
yes.
df.
Okay, this one, this part. U is equal to f of x
Yes,
and
sir.
dv by dx, if I call it as g of x, then what I can do is in the place of c, if I'm taking u as f of x and dv by dx as g of x, then the formula is integral of u into dv by dx of dx is equal to uv minus integral of v into du by dx into dx. So listen, what I'm trying to say is wherever u is there, I'm replacing it with f of x. Wherever dv by dx is there, I'm replacing it with g of x. Okay, is equal to what is that you have on the right hand side? uv, right? What is u? U is f of x. From dv by dx, if I need only v, then what should I do?
Integral of
See, dv by dx, if I call it as g of x, I need only v, right? So I can write dv is equal to g of x into dx. Can I write it like this?
Yes, sir.
yes,
So
sir.
if I integrate on both the sides, what will happen is integral of dv is nothing but integral of g of x dx. Integral of dv is nothing but v. So wherever I have v, I can replace it with integral of g of x dx. So is it clear till this step? So integral of f of x into g of x is equal to f of x into integral of g of x minus what is v, guys? Integral of
G of x dx.
integral of g of x dx. So this one integral is outside. dv, I'm using another integral, which I'm putting it within a bracket into du by dx is nothing but f dash of x with respect to x. I hope it is clear. So this is the other formula that is given in your textbook. Okay. So you need not worry about how to remember that. I'll explain. You just give me a confirmation that you're able to understand these steps. How to remember that, I'll take care. Are you guys able to understand what I'm writing? Why these manipulations are happening? Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in that
So,
last one, so there will be double integration, sir.
it will be double integration. Means first you will integrate g of x dx, then you will multiply that with whom? You will first integrate g of x and you will multiply that with f dash of x. Then the product of these two will again be integrated. That is the meaning.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So having all this in mind, there is an important point that is given here that I am going to explain. Okay. So this is the formula. As I told you, this is what is going to be the formula. See, in your textbook, they have solved the problem dv by dx. These things that confuse you. So I'm going to teach you only one method. You're going to follow the same method throughout this integration by parts. Wherever you see, not only in this exercise, wherever you see the integration by parts, you can use that method which is allowed. Okay, which you can use it in the CBSE as well. So the method is, write it down. Integral of f of x into g of x dx is equal to. So how many functions do I have in my hand now? I have two functions. So let me take this as the first function, this as the second function. Now there is another way. There is an important point which I need to mention here. That is, you have a list which is going to prioritize which function is to be chosen as one and which one to be chosen as two. That I'll explain later. That will be the next part I'm going to explain. So let's assume this is the first function you're taking. This is the second function based on the priority list. Okay. So the answer for this will be equal to first function in
That's what.
till where was I audible?
First,
First function and second function you heard, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So integral of first function into second function is given like this. Make a note of it. It is first function means you need to write the first function as it is into integral of second function means you need to integrate the second function. Okay. Minus you need to again put an integral symbol. Within that integral, what you're supposed to do is you need to differentiate the first function and multiply that with the integral of second function, and this product you need to integrate it again. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you apply for a few problems, you'll get it. Don't worry about the length of the formula. Okay. So the priority list. I told you, no, you have a priority list based on which you need to choose which one is the first and which one is the second function. So priority list is given by the expression I late. Okay, where I stands for inverse trigonometric function. L stands for logarithmic function. A stands for algebraic function. T stands for trigonometric function. And E stands for exponential function. So what is the meaning of this? If suppose I give you a question like this, integral of x square sin x dx is equal to what? So according to the priority list that you have in your hand, which one will you take as the first function and which one will you take as second?
X square as
Square
first
is
function.
perfect.
So x square is first because it's an algebraic function, and sin x should be taken as a second because it's a trigonometric function. If the same question is modified as x square sin inverse x dx, then
Sin inverse
Sin
X.
inverse first.
sin inverse x as first and the algebraic as second. Okay, so wherever you have inverse trigonometric, that should be the first function, right? I hope it is clear. So this is all about the introduction of integration by parts. Let's do few problems. If you have made a note of it, I'll proceed to the example problems and the exercise problems.
1 minute. Sir.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, done. Okay, have this in your mind. So this is the first example problem. It's on page 324. Just a minute. Yeah. So integral of x cos x dx. Tell me which is first, which is second.
X is first, cos x is second.
Cos x is second, right? So integral of f of x into g of x is given as integral. Sorry, is it the first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function, this within a bracket dx, right? So tell me what I'm supposed to do here. First function f of x is what?
X.
X into integral of
Cos x dx.
cos
Cos
x
X.
minus integral of
1.
derivative of f dash of x
1.
1.
1 into integral of cos x dx, this whole thing with respect to dx. Okay, so x into integral of cos x
Sin x.
Sin X.
minus integral of, this is what,
Sin x.
1 into sin x with respect to x. So 1 into sin x is sin x. Integral of sin x will be,
Minus cos x.
Minus Cos X.
Plus.
so the
cos.
answer will be x sin x plus cos x plus. I hope it's clear. So make a note of it. We'll go a little slow till you understand. Let me know once you're done. Done? Yeah. Moving on to the next one. Now you have integral of log x. Okay. So we don't have a formula for integral of log x. So you don't have two functions here. What you can do is integral of log x can be written as integral of log x into 1 dx. I'm writing it like this only because of the fact that we don't have a direct formula for log x. Okay. Now according to Eilert, L stands for logarithmic function, and 1 stands for
Algebraic.
it is algebraic function. So logarithmic is first, algebraic is second. So those who have a doubt, x power 0 is 1. So that's why it is treated as an algebraic function. Okay. So this is first, this is second. Tell me. First function. See, you need to write the formula in the exam for every question. But here I'm trying to make you memorize the formula. So tell me. First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function. So what is the derivative of log x?
1 by x.
1 by x into integral of
One.
second function
1
with respect to x. Right. So log x into integral of 1 is x minus integral of 1 by x into integral of 1 is again x with respect to x. This and this will get cancelled. So log x into x minus
X.
plus c. Okay. So answer will be x into log x minus 1 plus c.
So do we have to remember this?
Which one?
Integral of log x. Should we remember this?
No need, no need. In CBSE, you don't apply it anywhere. Anyway, see, since you're doing it for the first time, it appears like you have 3-4 steps, but once you practice, you can do it in 2 steps. Even if you forget, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
So next one is integral of x into e power x. Again, highlight. X stands for algebraic, e power x exponential. So this is first, second. Tell me the formula. First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. This whole thing integral with respect to x. So x into the integral of e power x is e power x minus integral of this integral of e power x is again e power x, and you have a dx outside. So x into e power x minus e power x plus. Clear?
Sure.
Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
Listen. So find x into sine inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Here, how many functions do you have?
3. 1, 2, 3.
3.
You have x as one function, sine inverse x, and root of 1 minus x square. But if I take only x divided by root of 1 minus x square, that will become one algebraic function for me. Right? So you're able to understand. I'm just discussing the idea that I'm getting. So x divided by root of 1 minus x square can be treated as an algebraic function. Sine inverse x is an inverse trigonometric function. That's all I know. Am I right? See, if you observe the pattern, what is happening to the second function? The second function is getting integrated. Am I right? So second function is sort of square as one function. This one is first. Sine inverse x is first. X divided by root of 1 minus square is second. What will happen? So sine inverse x into integral of x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. So first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function. Derivative of sine inverse x is what?
1 by
1
root
by
1
1
by
over 1 minus x square.
1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. This whole thing is integration with respect to x. Is there any doubt in this step? Is there any doubt in what I did?
No, sir.
Is everyone clear? Okay. So how am I supposed to integrate x by root of 1 minus x square? I need to put
1 minus
1 minus x square, I need to take it as t, so that minus 2x into dx will be equal to dt. So x into dx will be equal to minus dt by 2. So sine inverse x into, can I write it as integral of minus dt divided by root t? Integral of root minus x square. Let it just into 2 root.
then minus dt by 2.
I wrote it 2 root t in minus d 2 root t. This whole thing is still integrated with respect to x. This dx is not going to change. Only this x dx is going to be minus 2x. Minus 2. I hope this. So sine inverse x into what? Minus 1 2 root t. So integral of which function is 1 by 2 root t or 1 by 2 root x?
Root x.
It is
X.
root x. So minus is there, it will be root t, minus integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This minus sign, I'm bringing it outside, so it becomes plus into, what will happen? This is again root t dx. I hope this is clear. Yeah, tell me.
So why we didn't take 1 minus x square as
Sorry? Because I need to integrate this, no? Actually, see, with practice, you should have got it by now. We can directly write it because I saw this 1 minus x square. If I multiply and divide it by 2 also, we can do it. Okay. So 1 minus x square, if I take it as t, wherever I need to solve this integrate alone, I have substituted. I hope it is clear till this step. So minus sine inverse x into root of, in the place of t, I can substitute back 1 minus x square plus integral of 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square dx. This and this will get cancelled. So minus root of 1 minus x square sine inverse x plus integral of 1 dx is x plus c. Can I write it like this? So this will be the required answer. Okay. So just go, I'll give you 2 minutes time. Just go through it. If there is any doubt, let me know. If any step is unclear, let me know. Done? Is it clear? Is every step clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Could
Darshini?
you repeat the first steps, just the first, how you pick the functions?
1 minute. You're asking about this thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is the formula? First function into integral of second function. What did I say? The second function is x divided by root of 1 minus x square. That whole thing I took it as a second function. So first function you should write it as it is. Into, put an integral symbol, write the second function. Minus integral of derivative of first function. What is the derivative of sine inverse x? It is 1 by root of 1 minus x square into integral of second function. That is integral of x dx by root of 1 minus x square. This whole thing's integral with respect to x. That's what I did.
Okay.
So to find out what is the integral of x by root of 1 minus x square, I took it as t, but in other places I didn't substitute it.
Okay.
Okay. Now listen. The alternate method is integral of x divided by root of 1 minus x square sine inverse x. So wherever you see 1 minus x square, what trigonometric function comes to your mind? You can use either sine theta or cos theta. But in this question, what will you choose? You can choose sine theta because you have a sine inverse x. So if I put x is equal to sine theta, then this implies dx is equal to cos theta d theta. So integral of wherever x is there, I'm going to replace it with sine theta into sine inverse x is sine inverse of sine theta, the whole divided by root of 1 minus sine square theta d theta. Okay. So this will be integral of sine theta divided by root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta into sine inverse of sine theta is going to be theta d theta. So this will be integral of theta into tan theta d theta. Is it clear to this step? Now, the algebraic and inverse trigonometric problem has got converted to algebraic and trigonometric problem. So which one is first and which one is second, obviously. So algebraic is first and this is second. Okay. So first function, since you're integrating with respect to theta, okay, you have to be careful. First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function dx is equal to cos theta. Wait. I made a mistake. Wait. Dx is cos theta d theta. Right. So x is sine theta. Sine inverse x is sine inverse of sine theta. Root of 1 minus sine square theta into cos theta d theta. So this whole thing will get eliminated. The reason I got the doubt is because when I integrate tan, I get log. But in my previous answer, I didn't have a log. Okay. That's why I realized I'm wrong somewhere. So integral of sine theta into sine inverse of sine theta is theta divided by cos theta into cos theta d theta. This and this will get cancelled. What will be the answer? Integral of theta sine theta d theta. Now tell me this. First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function d theta. So theta into integral of sine theta is minus cos theta minus integral of, what is integral of sine theta, guys? It is
minus cos theta.
minus cos theta and you have a d theta outside. So what will happen?
Sine theta.
1 minute. So theta into minus cos theta plus integral of cos theta is going to be sine theta plus c. I hope it's clear to this step. Right. So theta is what? Theta is going to be sine inverse of x. So wherever I see, I will write theta as sine inverse of x into minus cos theta. Okay. See, if sine theta is x, what is cos theta? Root of 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, I'm writing an extra step. Observe. Sine inverse x is theta into minus is already there, root of 1 minus sine square theta plus sine theta plus c. So theta is nothing but sine inverse x minus root of 1 minus sine square theta is x square plus sine of sine inverse of x plus c. What do you get? Minus root of 1 minus x square into sine inverse of x plus c. Right. Now verify if this answer is matching with the previous one. Minus root of 1 minus x square sine inverse x plus x plus. Is it matching?
Sir.
So whichever method is convenient, you can follow it. So most of the times what will happen is dealing with inverse trigonometric function is slightly a headache, because when you differentiate, you get that 1 plus x square and all those things. So I suggest you to go with the substitution method. So if you ask me which method is better, second one is better. I'm not sure how it is done in textbook. If you have a textbook, you can verify. So the second method is better, but if you are comfortable with handling inverse functions directly, you can go with the first method also, right? So just go through it. If there is any doubt, let me know. Shall I proceed to the next one? So example 21, e power x into sine inverse x. Can I go a little fast? Highlight trigonometric and exponential, first and second. So first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of function with respect to x. So sin x into e power x minus integral of, what will you get here?
Minus n.
Cos x. No, it is cos x, that's it.
Okay, sir.
Because I've already differentiated sin x into e power x dx. I hope it is clear. So what we need to do is, the integration is not yet over because this part is over, but still you have another integral here. So e power x into sin x I'm not disturbing, minus, observe. So for handling this, what are we supposed to do? Again, this first function, this second function. So first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function, that is minus sin x into, what will you get? E power x dx with respect to x. Is it clear, guys? So e power x sin x minus, here I will get e power x into cos x. So minus of minus will give me a plus integral of, see what is integral of e power x dx? It is e power x only. So e power x sin x dx. Is it clear till this step?
Yes, sir.
Right? So what is this whole thing? This whole thing is nothing but the question integral of e power x sin x dx. Okay. Now expand the left hand side. So e power x into sin inverse x minus e power x cos x of e power equal to e power x dx. Means this integration is not going to stop. It will keep repeating itself. So what was? So what you're supposed to do is, you take this to the other side, then what will you be left out with? E power x sin x minus e power x cos x is equal to 2 times integral of e power x sin x dx. So what will be the answer? Integral of e power x sin x dx, which is nothing but the question, is equal to e power x into sin x minus cos x the whole divided by 2 plus. Sometimes what they do is they take the question as I and then proceed. So if you take it as I, then this will be I and this will be I. I did the same thing. Okay. It is up to you. Is there any doubt? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the next is another formula. Write it down. Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, just a minute, this one. So integral of the type integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x is plus c. So this is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Let's see what is the proof for it. Okay. So I'm repeating it again. If power x is multiplied with a combination of function and the function with its derivative, that will be equal to e power x into whatever is that function plus c. That is the answer. Let us see why it is happening. Okay, make a note of it. So it is like this. So if I take this question as I, so if this is taken as I, so I will be equal to integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, right? So what I can do is I can remove that I can multiply the e power x with each term and split the integral and write it, right? So can we write it like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see what is going to happen is, so this is the right, see, integral of e power x into f of x dx can be taken as I1. Then what will happen? Integral of e power x into f dash of x. Let's hold it. Okay. Now see, if I take integral of e power x into f of x dx. So dx I forgot. Now tell me, how do I integrate it using by part?
So take f of x as 1 and e power x as 2.
Integrated using by parts. See, if you apply the logic of isolate, whatever is the first function, exponential is always
Second function.
what different exponential is always. So this is first and this is second. Now tell me, first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of. Are you guys able to understand till here? So I will write it again. Observe. Is problem number
22.
now listen. What did I say? The formula is integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into x plus c. So if I take this as I, then I will be equal to integral of e power x into f of x dx plus integral of e power into f dash of x into dx. I hope it's clear. So if this is taken as I1, then I1 will be equal to integral of e power x into f of x dx. So this is taken as second function, this is taken as first function. So I1 will be equal to what? First function into integral of second function minus into integral of function. Right? So I1 will be equal to, what is integral of e power x? It is obviously e power x into f of x minus of f dash of x into integral of e power x is e power x dx. Okay. Let me say this is and this is 2. Then I will be equal to, in the place of I1, can I replace the whole thing? So e power x into f of x into f dash dx. Is it clear? This whole thing is I1 plus what is that you have in your hand already in 1? It is integral of e power x into f dash of x dx. Let's say plus c is added. Now what gets cancelled? E power x into f dash of x integral and e power x into f dash of x integral. If it is cancelled, you will have I is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. This is the reason. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the reason why we got e power x into f of x plus c. So next time onwards, observe this. So keeping this point in mind, okay. So keeping this point in mind, tell me what will be the answer for this question.
E power x tan inverse x plus c.
That's the answer. So it is like this integral of e power x into tan inverse x. If I take it as f of x, 1 by 1 plus x square is the derivative of this. So that will be e power x into f of x plus c. So answer will be e power x into tan inverse of x. Right?
So,
Tell me.
sir, what if both the functions we take are of the same category? What if it's like tan inverse x and sin inverse x dx? Then which should we take it as a first priority?
Which one? Integral of tan inverse x plus x. Is this what you're asking?
No,
You
not the
have
e
sin
power.
inverse x
No, no,
into
no. Yeah, into not the e power
into
x.
tan inverse. Okay,
Not
this
the
e
e
power
power
x
x.
is not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one do we take it as first priority?
Since both are, see here you don't come across the concept of pi parts itself, no, because both are of the same nature. You will try to substitute something as theta and then proceed. For example, this problem I substitute x is and proceed. Because this kind of a concept comes for inverse trigonometry. Let's suppose take a logarithmic function. Suppose I have log 2x into log 3x. Okay, what are you going to do? Here you cannot. First of all, we cannot proceed. There are not these kind of questions that will be existing. Not every function can be integrated. First point. If at all it comes something like this, if at all they want to create, they should be able to do it in such a way that you can solve problem. This one we can. Okay, because I have no function, right? You cannot take one as the first function and the other as second. So when do you apply by parts? Again, I'm telling you, only when you have a combination of different functions, different nature of functions, right? So tell me, what is this one? Integral of e power x into x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. How do we solve this? Integral of e power x into, how can I split and write it? So I can write as x square by x plus 1 by the whole square. Now, which one is the derivative of other? There, guys, there.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how to solve this. So which one is f of x and which one is f dash of x?
Sir, is 1 by x plus 1 the whole square f of x?
If you take that as f of x, then what will you get? You will get minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole cube into 2x. See, 1 by
Then
x plus 1 the whole.
x square by x plus 1 the whole square. Then you will get that as x plus 1
Is it
into
coming?
4.
Is it coming? You have to verify and see x square divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Then what is f dash of x? X plus 1 the whole square into 2x minus x square into 2 into x plus 1 the whole divided by x plus 1 the whole power 4. Right? So this will be x square plus 1 plus 2x into 2x minus 2x square into x plus 1 the whole divided by x plus 1 the whole power 4. Correct? So this will be 2x cube plus 2x plus 4x square minus 2x cube minus 2x square the whole divided by x plus 1 the whole power 4. 2x cube and 2x cube are gone. So x plus 1 the whole square into 2x minus x square into 2 into x plus 1 into derivative of x plus 1 is 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole power 4. So x square plus 1 plus 2x and 2x x plus 1. 2x plus 2x square divided by x plus 1 the whole. Getting it, no? Just a minute. He has added and subtracted, right? So let's try by some other way. See, this is not working. Let's try one more method. Just a minute. So this x square plus 1, can I write it as x plus 1 the whole square minus 2x? But that's also not going to help, right? So integral of e power x into x plus 1 the whole square divided by x plus 1 the whole square minus 2x divided by x plus 1 the whole square dx. This and this will get cancelled. It's not going to work.
Sir, can we multiply e power x on the side, sir? Then do it individually, sir.
That you can do, but I wanted to apply this method. You can definitely do it individually also. You're trying to do this one separately and this one separately, right?
Yes, sir.
You can do that. If you don't get the idea, you can definitely do. I'm just thinking if we can substitute something. Because see, when I saw 1 plus x square, I was thinking of substituting x as tan theta and then proceeding. So 1 plus tan square theta will we get something, but here you will have e power tan theta. So again, we'll get stuck. So wait. First, see, just because he has done, we need to think of how that idea has actually come. X square minus 1 plus 1. So x square minus 1 by x plus 1 square. So I will look into this. I'll tell you by next class, okay? Because time is 4:58. Others have classes, no? So I will look into this. I'll tell you by the next class, okay? I'll think if there is any other way also. So you guys can actually start solving the exercise problems. It is easy only. You can try it. Next class, I will complete this exercise and start 7.7 also. I think 7.7 is eliminated. It's not. It's deleted for this year. So 7.8 I will start. That is definite integrals. Okay. Is there any other doubt from today's class?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we can wind up.
Thank you, sir.